Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are going to paint a woodpecker today in watercolors. I've already outlined the drawing and the background, and I'm starting at the top and moving around the painting by painting the branch that the bird is standing on. So I'll brighten up the top of the head, which is a feature of the woodpecker. And the feature of the bird is many black lines that crisscross over the body and the feathers. And it has a distinctive look about it and a character. The colour of the bird is a limited palette, so only a few colours on the bird itself, on the flight feathers, and on the tail. I have simplified the painting by keeping it to the few lines and decorations that are on the feathers, so that it doesn't become too complicated and detailed. It's a simple beauty about it, which is distinctive. Woodpeckers are superbly adapted to life in the trees. Their feet have two toes pointing forward and two pointing backward with a sharp pointed claws. This enables them to scale vertically up tree trunks and other vertical surfaces to look for food and shelter. Their straight pointed bills and reinforced skulls help them to absorb the constant shock of pecking, sizzling, drilling, and drumming. Stiff tail feathers act as props, like a third leg, when the birds climb. Woodpeckers knock on hard surfaces like wood to communicate with others, to claim territory, and to attract a mate. One bird may drum more than 8,000 times a day, and a downy woodpecker typically strikes 16 times a second. They typically find a dry, brittle tree limb and drum on it, hammering with rapid bursts. Seeing a woodpecker in your garden is often a positive sign, symbolizing persistence, determination, new opportunities, communication, and good luck, with its drumming seen as a call to action or a rhythm of life, signaling breakthroughs, focus, or a healthy environment. It represents vitality, strength, ardor, and grounding, symbolizing protection, connection to nature, and spiritual resilience associated with communication, expression, and the electricity of statement. Reflects keen hassle-solving talents, awareness, and adaptability. Please like this video, and I'll catch you up next time. Subscribe, and see you later. Goodbye.